Hello guys, welcome to this short tutorial. This training is all about payment proof of Leadsleap. I've not really promoted this system, but I found out that they paid me $13.73 for not promoting it. But I only have 19 followers, and I believe that one of them, I've upgraded. That is why they paid me that commission. It's small, but it's a payment proof in Leadsleap. This platform, I use it mainly for traffic. I use it to promote my offers. I put banners and I surf. So once you surf, you get traffic in return. That is free traffic in return. So I discovered that I just got this money. So this money is something, okay? That is a proof that this Leadsleap pays, okay? So that is what I just want to show you guys. If you have any question about Leadsleap, how you can use Leadsleap, and if you are having any problem navigating through it, because it can be a bit techy, if you have any challenge, just drop it in the comment section. I will do a video to help you out, okay? Thank you for stopping by. I'll see you in my next video.